y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to watch another video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're here, and if you're watching this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yeah, you see it, and hit that bell for notifications on when my next video is uploaded. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this Kim Kardashian inspired black smoky eye tutorial, and I created this look today with some very affordable products by Profusion. So if you guys are interested on how I got this look, please stay tuned. To create this look, I'll be using a Profusion Naturals eyeshadow palette, and this palette has 24 different shadows, and it's so pretty. All of the colors are super pigmented, and it comes with this double-ended brush, which is what I'm going to use today to blend it out. So first I'm going to go in with my transition shade. I'm going to use Fearless in the crease, and I'm going to go in with the blending side of this brush. I already have individuals on, so we'll be working around them. So far the shades are really pigmented, like that's just one layer of shadow and it looks really good. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with Cozy. It's a really dark brown shade, and I'm going to start applying this just on the outer corner of the eye. I'm gonna go with the clean blending brush and just make sure that it's all blended out and not harsh. Okay, so after I do the outer part of the eye, I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade in the palette, Nightlife, and I'm gonna use the flat-ended part of this brush that came in the palette. I'm going to start patting in that shade. I'm using light strokes because if I go in too harsh and it's too dark or it's not blending or too smudgy, it's going to look really bad. But wow, look at that. That looks really good, and I really like this brush. So now I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and just blend out the edges. Actually can't be mad at the results. It looks really good. Okay, now just defining my lash line and lining my lashes with the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. It's going to give me that really dramatic cat eye that I want. Now I'm going in with this Thrive Brilliant Eye Highlighter Pen, and I'm highlighting the brow bone and under the eyebrow. And then I'm going to go in with a small blending brush, and I'm going to blend that highlight out. Okay, now that the top portion of the eye is done, I'm going to brush away my baking powder. So we're moving on to the bottom lash line now. I'm going to go in with a very small blending brush, and this is the Sephora number 27 Pro blending brush. And just like the top, I'm going to start from light and move my way up to dark colors. I'm going to create the transition for the darker shade. So I'm just brushing this all along the bottom lash line. And I'm not putting this like right into the lash line. I'm putting it right below the lash line so that it opens my eye up and it makes my eye appear a little more larger. So after I applied Nightlife, which is the darkest shade, I'm going to go back in with Outspoken, and I'm going to blend out this so it makes it look a little bit more brown and not so black and harsh. Alright, to complete the face, I'm going to go in with my Profusion blush palette, and I'm going to use this one and this one together. So I'm just going to mix these two. They don't have shade names, so I've had this palette for a while. I'm not sure what the names are. It's going to give me a really natural blush. To set everything, of course, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. right, you guys, this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, I love it. The Profusion palette is definitely going to be one of my favorites, and I love the palette because it's really creamy and the eyeshadows are super blendable. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have a giveaway coming up for the new year. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Thank you so much for coming to watch, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.